Hi guys, welcome to one more video of engineering and management. In this video, we will cover how to apply continuous improvement in your company in 6 simple steps. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the topic. Before starting how to apply continuous improvement, let's look into why we need continuous improvement in your company. So the first reason we need it is it increases the efficiency, it increases the quality, and it reduces the cost of the production. So that is the main reason why any company puts continuous improvement program in the company. Now we know why. Let's look into how to achieve the continuous improvement in your company. But before we start, remember step number 6 is the most important topic in the continuous improvement process. If you miss the step number 6 or if you don't implement that step properly, the whole process you're going to have to do it with someone else. And then it is going to repeat itself. So make sure you apply all steps, including step number 6, in your company to achieve better results. Step number 1, culture. Having a culture of continuous improvement helps a lot in doing the improvement, either improvement of product, improvement of process, or improvement of method that requires in your company. So it is very important that you encourage your employees to provide regular feedback. You ask them to participate in problem solving and give them the ownership. So you do one on one and give them the ownership to improve things, because the people who actually work on the floor are the best people to know what are the issues that they are facing and how can we improve that. Step number 2, having defined goals and objectives for your company. So you all know what KPIs are, and in KPIs make sure they are all measurable standards for your company. Measurable standard means you decide you want to reduce the waste from 20% to 10%, but you don't know how much waste you are having right now. So there is no point in reducing the waste when you don't know how much waste you have right now. So the first thing is you need to measure what you are actually having. So what is the actual waste that you are having? What is the production rate you are having? What are the qualities issues that you have? And after that, once you know all the standard data, once you have the data, then you can put a target. Okay, in 6 months, we are going to reduce everything by this percentage, or we are going to do work on the certain things in the product or in production. Step number 3, lean principles. Having a knowledge of lean principles and applying them in your company will definitely make a huge improvement and make it will make things easier for everyone. The company is going from small business to bigger business. It often suffers with problems like overproduction or excess inventory or insufficient or inefficient transportation and distribution channel. So to make sure you don't have all these issues, you use proper lean principle in your company. Use There are some very easy tools available online like Kanban, 5S, and value stream mapping. If you want me to make a video on it, just give me a comment and I will make a video on those topics. Step number 4, go into root cause analysis method. So every problem should have a root cause. There are simple methods like 5 whys and DMAIC, which is define, measure, analyze, improve, and then control the parameters. Follow these methods to get to the root cause, so you don't just address the symptoms, you actually fix the problem. I'll give you an example in the next slide. Let's say you ran through a red light. Let's say you ran through a red light and you got a ticket. So, what is the root cause of you running through the red light? So you ask this question 5 times, like why? So first why is you were late for work. Why were you late for work? Because you woke up late. Why did you wake up late? So alarm didn't work. Why the alarm didn't work? Because it has an exhausted battery. And why it had an exhausted battery? Because you forgot to check. And that is the root cause of why you ran through the red light. And this method not only works in industry, it works in your real life too. Asking yourself five whys generally gives you a root cause of the problem. Step number five, encourage collaboration. Every company, every company is made up of different departments. So sometimes design department involving other departments like design department, production department, sales department, customer service department, team members of all these different departments, bringing them together will give a better overview of a problem rather than having just one single person or one single department handling the improvement. That will foster creativity. That will foster creativity. It will have idea from all aspects of the product design, including the customer service side. You will get idea from a designing problem, designing side of the side. You will get ideas from the production issues, and that way you can have an overview and work towards a common goal that can serve all the purposes. As I said, everyone will understand the overall process in this method. So step number six is a very, very, very important one. Step number six is recognition. Okay. If you don't appreciate and don't acknowledge what your employees are doing for you, what your teammates are doing for you, if you don't do that, you're going to fail because he will gain knowledge and he will feel underappreciated. Anyone who feels underappreciated will gradually lose hope in your company and he will either walk away or become silent. That is the worst thing that any employee could go through. It is the worst for employer because it's years of making of an employee to this level and now he will either go away or he will lose the motivation. So that is why this step is a very important step of continuous improvement. Okay, guys, I think that is all for the day. And thank you very much for watching. Comment below if you like uh, any more suggestions from my side. If you have any more feedback on how to deal with continuous improvement, I'm always happy to take into consideration. Any particular video you want me to put on, I will put that into my next video. And just comment me if you have anyone living a company environment just because he was underappreciated. If it has happened with you, comment below and say what happened. Thank you very much for watching.